Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to Triple A Muscle with another interesting and amazing video. So, greetings, fitness enthusiasts and champions of aesthetic appreciation. Today, we embark on a grand visual journey, delving deep into the awe-inspiring world of bodybuilding. Prepare to be captivated by a symphony of muscles, a visual feast that transcends the mere physicality of these athletes. Welcome to our visual symphony, appreciating the aesthetic of bodybuilding. Before we plug into this visual audacity, let's take a moment to recognize the profound dedication, artistic expression, and unwavering commitment that define the realm of bodybuilding. Beyond the weights and sweet lays a canvas where athletes craft their stories, where muscles become living brushstrokes in a masterpiece of dedication. Our first chapter unfolds as we explore the very anatomy of aesthetics within bodybuilding. The human body, sculpted through relentless training and discipline, transforms into a work of art. Join us in appreciating the balance, symmetry, and grace that elevate these athletes to the status of living sculptures. So, moving forward, we embrace ourselves into the world muscular poetry in motion. These athletes are not just bodies, they are storytellers using their muscles to convey power, emotion, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Watch as the very essence of bodybuilding comes alive through dynamic poses and breathtaking movements. In this segment, we unravel the intricate art of posing in bodybuilding. It's not just about flexing muscles, it's about sculpting symphonies with the human form. Each pose tells our unique tale, a visual masterpiece that showcases the dedication, discipline, and sheer artistry of these athletes. Beyond the dazzling lights and polished poses, there are faces behind these impeccable physiques. In this segment, we go behind the scenes of uncover the humanity with bodybuilding, the stories, struggles, and triumphs that shape these individuals into more than just bodybuilder, but inspiring human beings. Our penultimate chapter takes us on a journey of evolution within bodybuilding. It's not just about the physical transformation but the growth of the individual. Witness the resilience, determination, and relentless pursuit of self improvement that define the true aesthetics of the human journey. As we conclude this grand visual symphony, I hope you be as enraptured as I have by the sheer beauty and artistry embedded in the world of bodybuilding. These photos transcend the physical, they are a celebration of the extraordinary within the ordinary. If we enjoy this immersive journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that celebrates the art of bodybuilding. Until so, I hope friends you are enjoying today's video, and I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis. Friends, if you are interested in more amazing videos like this, visit our channel, especially visit the channel's playlist. Here you will find best motivational and inspirational videos like this. So friends, wonderful people, welcome back to our channel. So alright, let's kick things off with a bang. We often associate bodybuilders with serious faces and intense workout vibes, but today we are about to see a different side. These folks are not just lifting weights, they are lifting our spirits with their dazzling looks and contagious smiles. Muscles that look like they've been sculpted by an artist with a keen eye for beauty. Forget about the stereotype. We are about to witness abs and biceps that are a genuine work of art. Move our art museum. These bodybuilders are about to steal the spotlight. Now let's talk about the smile factor. Yes, you heard it right, smiles. These bodybuilders are not just flexing muscles, they are flexing their greens, and let me tell you, it's like sunshine breaking through the clouds. Who knew a set of dumbbells could be so charming? But wait, there's more. The caption accompanying these photos are pure gold. From gym selfies to flexing on mountain tops, because why not? The captions are the secret sauce that adds humor to the mix. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting our mood too. Now let's dive into the incredible transformation stories. These bodybuilders did not wake up one day with muscles that could rival superhero proportions. No, we got stories of hard work, dedication, and probably a few protein shakes thrown in for good measures. It's not just about the physical journey, it's about the journey of self-discovery. The everyday superheroes. As we scroll through these pictures, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe. These bodybuilders are not just strong physically, they are everyday superheroes spreading positivity and inspiration. It's like we got a secret power, the ability to make us smile of even on the toughest days. So one of the most beautiful aspects of this collection is the diversity. We got bodybuilders of all shapes, sizes, and backgrounds, proving that beauty knows no boundaries. It's a celebration of uniqueness and a reminder that strength comes in many forms. So there you have it, my amazing viewers, a journey through the world of bodybuilders who redefine beauty one smile at a time. If you have not hit that like button yet, what are you waiting for? These pictures are not just a feast for the eyes, they are a celebration of strength, diversity, and the joy that comes with it. Don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content and share this video with your friends who could use a dose of positivity. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay inspired, and keep spreading those smiles. Thanks for watching, viewers. Bye.